Okay, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see in this light, but you can see down here, getting closer you can see it through there. All the way down, turns into 2 right there. All the way down through the decal. Maybe you can see it better this way. Yeah, there you go, you can see it now. Right through there. And then it starts disappearing. And why is it disappearing? Because of this lovely stuff. Rubbing compound, you can buy it at your auto parts store. Buffing wheel, the end of a battery powered drill, and you work it back and forth a little bit. You work it back and forth. You work it back and forth a little bit, and I'll show